Welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to roll over unused envelopes each month in advance in Goodbudget. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So to do this, all you gotta do is first of all go and tap open your Goodbudget. Once you open your Goodbudget, rolling over unused envelope fund is achieved by using the add function when you simply set up an automatic or manual envelope fill. This method ensures that any remaining balance from the current month is carried forward into the next one. So, first method is to simply have the automatic rollover. This is highly recommended for regular rollovers. So, you need to start a new envelope fill, choose your add for specific envelope, and then schedule the fill as well. Now simply save the fill and you're all done. Now the next method is a manual rollover. You need to start a new envelope. So once you do this, you need to adjust the add amount as needed manually. You can simply confirm and save the envelope. So this is how you can simply do it. I hope you found this video helpful. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button and to give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.